Hi, this is Yuan from Ganister. Today I'll show you how to install the latest version of the beta version of Ganister PLM. So once you have received an email giving you the access, so with a login and a password to our portal, you would have access. So if you, from our website, if you click here, you'll get access to our portal where you have the latest news and some documentation today. For now, it's just the install documentation and the latest releases. And so as of today, it's version 1.0 or 1.02, which I downloaded. It's about 10 megabytes. So the first thing once you have downloaded it is to extract it. Let's extract this. And so in the documentation you have the requirements. First is Node. Node is the JavaScript engine that runs our web server. So you can go on nodejs.org to download one of the latest versions. If you're not sure if you have it or not, you tap node-v and you have this version. There's one other thing that we need is npm. So here it shows that I have it. If you don't have it, it comes with Node. So normally when you install Node.js, it installs npm. The other thing that you need is a database. So we use Neo4j, which is a graph database. So you either download it from their website, or you have they have a cloud offering called Aura. And the other thing that we do is using GrapheneDB. We have a free plan for a limited amount of nodes in your database, so a limited amount of records. And I just created a database. When you create it, it takes 5-6 minutes to have the DNS propagated, so you need to do it a bit in advance. But it's created, but I don't remember the password for the user. So what I'll do, I'll drop this user. I know what I'm doing, and I create a new user called Ganister install, for example. Create this user, and so once you have extracted this, you need to edit this environment file. What I need to do on my computer, you may not have to do it, but I need to change the port because I already use the other port with another application. And then the database, so you copy the password, copy the username, okay, and the bolt URL. Okay, so once this is done, you need to run, and you could do it before, you can run npm install, which will, so npm, oops, sorry, I went in the wrong folder, npm install. So basically npm is the package management for Node. So Ganister has some dependencies on multiple libraries. So npm install will look at all these dependencies and download whatever dependency needs to be downloaded. So while we do this, it's going to take a couple of, shouldn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes if you have a decent connection. And so basically, yeah, that's about it. You have the install documentation where it tells you, it guides you through everything you need to know to use install Ganister. So the username we'll use once it will be installed is test@ganister.eu and password is Ganister. So let's get back to our packages. They've been all downloaded, and now we can init our system. So npm run init db. This is not what it says in the documentation, so it must be npm run db init. Yes. So it creates the preliminary users. So if you, in the future, will provide pre-configured databases with some sample data, which is not the case for now. So you have to create a first user and some permissions. And now you can just npm run dev. And then you can go to this URL here. And and here you go, you have your application running Ganister, Ganister. And Ganister is installed.